Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be installing a windshield protector by Mabett. Let's get it installed and check it out. A big thank you to Mabett for providing the product for this video. This windshield protector has a nice diamond stitch quilted pattern sewn all the way through it, and it's made from a strong, waterproof, durable Oxford fabric. It has two pockets for the wing mirrors and then flaps to hold it down tight. And along the top there are a couple of magnets to hold it in place at the top of the windshield. The first thing to do is lift up your wiper blades, and then lay the protector over your windshield, and then slide each side over the wing mirrors. Next you're going to feel around for the two magnets in the top of the cover and then lay it down on top of the windshield surround. And then pull that flap around and trap it with the window. As the window closes up, it tightens it. Here you can see it's nice and tight. Move to the other side and do the same. Just press the magnets into the windshield surround. And then trap this other flap in the window. And here you can just see the magnet that's inside the flap. Make any small adjustments you need to before putting the windshield wipers back over the top. And then just lay down the windshield wipers over the top to trap it in place. And that's you set for snowfall and ice. Very quick and easy to install. As you can see, it gives great coverage and protection to the windshield. And it keeps your wing mirrors protected from snow and ice as well. And this is what it looks like from the inside. As you can see, this is a great product and very easy to install. You just lay it on the windshield, put the windshield wipers over the top of it, and then cover the wing mirrors with the flaps on the side. At the top, there are a couple of flaps that you just roll around and trap underneath the side windows. At the top of the windshield protector are some magnets, and you just attach those to the header on the windshield. Overall, I really like this product, and in the winter months this should be really helpful, especially here in Texas where we get ice and not so much of the snow. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Give the video a like, maybe subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.